Hi there, this is Alvin with KickstartCommerce.com, and in today's tutorial, I actually want to show you how to use a Google developers tool called PageSpeed Tools. Say that fast 5 times. PageSpeed Tools. And so we're going to go ahead and jump over into Google PageSpeed Tools. So ensure that you are logged in, and the address that you're going to type in is developers plural dot google.com. Again, that's developers plural with an S dot google.com. And then forward slash speed slash page speed. And that will bring you to this page. And essentially, as it alludes here, page speed tools basically allow you to analyze and optimize your site following the best web practices. So if you want to know if you would like to know how your website is doing in terms of mobile and desktop, this is the tool that you will want to use. It'll give you great insight, um, at what you can fix or areas for improvement to make your site faster as well as more mobile friendly. Which, hint hint, Google uses a number of factors as it determines how to rank your site. And so, that being said, if your site is not mobile friendly, I encourage you to, go out and if you're using WordPress, or another CMS, go out and it's worth a purchase to go to like Theme Forest or Template Monster and purchase a mobile friendly theme. I actually had a site not too long ago that was not mobile friendly. And it was ranking well. It was ranking on the second page of Google for well visited keywords. And I migrated the site just from a single page HTML, PHP page site with, probably about 1,000 words of content, and migrated it from that single page to a mobile friendly or responsive WordPress template. And the template was free, and literally went from page 2 to now ranking in page 1 in positions 2 and 3 for keywords. So I ultimately used this for that site, and essentially this tool, like I said, I'll show you how to use it here. So for instance, if we wanted to see kickstartcommerce.com, then you just type it in, you select analyze, and it'll analyze here, and it'll show us our web performance and give us feedback in terms of what we can actually do to improve the user experience. And so you can see that even though I have a mobile experience on kickstartcommerce.com, you can see that it ranked 60 out of 100. So it shows you all the various possible options. So eliminate rendering, render blocking, JavaScript and CSS in above the fold. And it shows you what it looks like. So you can see, the site, the theme is mobile friendly, but it also show you like how to fix. So how do you fix that? It basically shows you what you need to do, as well as it tells you, for instance, try to defer or asynchronously uh, load, blocking resources. So basically, if I move these to the bottom and defer them, then that should increase the score. And it should increase from a poor user experience to hopefully a better than poor user experience. So it shows you many different optimizations, details, and it shows you the fixes. So go through, read those, and then you'll end up learning how to go about fixing. So the desktop scored 83 of 100. It was better than the mobile, but it still needs work. And so you can see here, there's so much that I could actually just go in and do. Start using compression, start leveraging browser caching, and the like. And so you can use a couple of different types of I guess you'd say tools, but this is one. If you can use Pingdom tools, but I like PageSpeed because it basically simplifies everything and tells you exactly what's wrong and what you need to do. And there are many other sites. For instance, there is a site, smartersolutions.com, and so we'll analyze it and see how and what PageSpeed thinks of it in terms of an overall website. So the mobile experience it basically deems as poor. Images need to be optimized. Same thing there. It is poor, and you'll want to make sure. The other thing too is be exact with your URL. And so I typed it without the www dot. And so you can see there, you have that site. Let's see another. See if I can get another site. Oh, mistyped that one. And we'll see. So that's a poor experience. And so let's see. Hopefully, I can find a site. Emojihunt.io. Let's see how it turns out. That's poor, but a bit better. Let's see. iHeart.ws. And this is emoji domain registration site. So you can see it's better. It basically says it needs work, and it gives some optimization secrets and fixes. And you can see that the desktop is looking good. 91 out of 100, that's not bad. There's still room for improvement though. So there are many different things that you can do, and you can see that it's not the end of the world for sites, but at the same time, you want to increase and provide every chance available to users to basically have your site ranked well and have it optimized and the usability effective. And so you can see this site, Domain Sherpa, 56 out of 100. Again, it needs work, but that doesn't. It shouldn't stop you in terms of having a okay user experience. But what it does do, like I said, is it can limit you in terms of your website ranking in Google. So the higher you can get this number, the better off that you'll be. So I hope that this helps. Again, use PageSpeed Tools. You'll have to register for a Google account, but definitely use it. They also provide reference guides and samples, and even support should you have questions. And so feel free to use this and to increase the overall search engine effectiveness as well as the user experience for your website. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a question or comment below the video here. In addition, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be the first to know when we drop new weekly videos. And last but not least, visit kickstartcommerce.com and subscribe to our newsletter where I share search marketing as well as domain investing and marketing strategies to grow your business. If you have any other questions, like I said, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and we'll see you around.